Welcome to our detailed exploration of peanuts, a pivotal crop renowned for its unique growth characteristics and significant impact on global agriculture and cuisine. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating life cycle of peanuts, from planting through to harvesting and processing, illuminating their agricultural practices, economic importance, and varied culinary applications. Peanuts, scientifically known as Arachis hypogea, are not true nuts but legumes. This botanical oddity flowers above ground while its fruits develop underground. Originating from South America, particularly Bolivia and Argentina, peanuts have been cultivated for over 3,500 years. Initially valued for their nutritional importance in ancient diets, they were also utilized medicinally, with various cultures using peanut oil for its therapeutic properties. The domestication of peanuts began in the fertile valleys of Paraguay, quickly becoming integral to indigenous agriculture due to their robustness and nutritional benefits. Their adaptability allows them to flourish in diverse climates and soils, especially sandy loam soils with excellent drainage, essential for their subterranean pod development. This versatility enabled peanuts to spread across continents, becoming a staple in Africa and Asia. In these regions, peanuts are valued for direct consumption and their ability to enhance soil fertility through nitrogen fixation, supporting sustainable agricultural practices. Globally, peanuts are extensively cultivated, with China, India, and the United States leading production. The crop's nitrogen-fixing ability enhances soil fertility, making peanuts an excellent choice for crop rotation and sustainable farming. Culinarily, peanuts are incredibly versatile, forming the base of products like peanut butter and various snacks. They feature prominently in dishes across many cultures, from African stews to Asian sauces and American confectionaries, due to their high protein content and rich flavor. The cultivation of peanuts requires meticulous soil preparation and careful management of environmental conditions. They thrive in well-drained, sandy soils under warm conditions, with specific spacing and sunlight exposure to optimize growth. Water management is critical, particularly as the pods begin to form, requiring reduction in irrigation to allow proper maturation. The harvesting process is unique as it involves uprooting the entire plant to access the mature pods from beneath the soil. Post-harvest, the peanuts are dried under the sun to minimize moisture content, which is crucial for preventing mold and ensuring quality during storage. One intriguing fact about peanuts is their role in dynamite production, where peanut oil is processed into glycerol, a component of nitroglycerin. Additionally, peanut shells find uses in the manufacture of biodegradable products, showcasing the crop's versatility beyond culinary uses. Peanut processing involves several sophisticated techniques including cleaning, shelling, roasting, and flavoring to ensure safety and nutritional quality. Advanced machinery and rigorous quality control measures are employed to maintain high standards throughout the processing phase. Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of peanuts, a vital crop known for its unique growth patterns and significant impact on global agriculture and cuisine. This video will take you through the fascinating life cycle of peanuts, from planting to harvesting and processing, shedding light on their agricultural practices, economic value, and diverse culinary uses. Peanuts, scientifically known as Arachis hypogea, defy typical classifications. Although commonly referred to as nuts, peanuts are in fact legumes, displaying the unique botanical characteristic of flowering above ground while their fruits develop underground. Native to South America, specifically Bolivia and Argentina, peanuts boast a rich history, dating back over 3,500 years. Initially cultivated not only for their edible seeds but also for their various medicinal uses, various cultures have employed peanut oil for its therapeutic properties. The journey of the peanut began in the fertile valleys of Paraguay and has since seen it become a staple in indigenous diets due to its robust nature and nutritional benefits. Peanuts' remarkable adaptability allows them to thrive in diverse climates and soils, particularly in sandy loam soils with excellent drainage, conditions that are crucial for their unique underground pod development. This versatility has allowed peanuts to spread across continents, establishing themselves from their South American origins to the fields of Africa and Asia. In these regions, peanuts are valued not just for direct consumption but also for their ability to enhance soil fertility through nitrogen fixation, supporting the growth of subsequent crops and bolstering local agricultural practices. Today, peanuts are cultivated extensively around the globe, with leading production from countries like China, India, and the United States. The ability of peanuts to fix nitrogen enhances soil fertility, making them an excellent choice for crop rotation and sustainable farming practices. Beyond their role as a snack, peanuts are used to produce various products such as peanut butter, oil, flour, and even as a protein source in animal feeds. They are crucial to food industries worldwide, thanks to their high protein content and versatile nature. The agricultural process for peanuts begins with careful soil preparation, ensuring optimal conditions for seed germination. Peanuts thrive in well-drained, sandy soils that prevent waterlogging, which can be detrimental to the developing pods. Proper spacing is essential, generally about 6 to 8 inches apart in rows 36 inches wide, allowing the plants to spread their foliage and roots efficiently without competing for nutrients and moisture. The cultivation also requires a warm climate, with temperatures ideally between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, complemented by abundant sunlight to foster photosynthesis and pod development. As the plants grow, they need consistent moisture, particularly during the early stages of growth and flowering. However, as the pods begin to form, it's crucial to reduce watering to encourage the pods to harden and mature properly, which is vital for developing the flavor and structural integrity of the peanuts. Harvesting peanuts involves a unique process where the entire plant, including the roots with mature pods, is gently lifted from the soil. This method ensures that the pods, which develop underground, are intact and undamaged. Once harvested, the plants are typically inverted and left in the field, allowing the peanuts to air dry under the sun for several days. This post-harvest drying is critical as it significantly reduces the moisture content of the peanuts, minimizing the risk of mold growth and aflatoxin contamination. The drying process also stabilizes the oils within the peanuts, enhancing their flavor and extending their shelf life. After drying, the peanuts are processed further. They are threshed to separate the pods from the rest of the plant, then graded and sorted to ensure that only the best quality peanuts proceed to the market or for further processing. Peanuts are a beloved feature in global cuisine, prominently featured in dishes across various cultures due to their unique flavor and textural contrast. From West African stews to Southeast Asian sauces and American confectionaries, peanuts add depth and richness to a multitude of dishes. The peanut industry plays a significant role in the global agricultural market, providing income for millions of farmers worldwide. Technological innovations in farming and processing have led to more efficient production methods that meet the growing international demand for peanuts. As we conclude this exploration of the peanuts' journey from the soil to the supermarket, we appreciate not only the nutritional and culinary value of peanuts but also their role in sustainable agriculture and global food security. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey about peanut cultivation, processing, and its global significance. Whether you're a farmer, a chef, or simply a curious viewer, peanuts offer a wealth of knowledge and benefits that extend far beyond the kitchen.